Here are two ways to copy all open tabs or selected tabs at once in Safari on your iPhone. Open the Safari app on your iPhone, and you're going to see all open tabs by tapping on the More option at the bottom right corner. Tap on the All Tabs option, and you're going to be able to copy all of these URLs at once. Just touch and hold on the total number of tabs, then tap on the Copy Links option, and paste it when you save, like the Notes app. Open the Notes app or compose a new note. Touch and hold to see the option to paste the URL link. That's it. Or share an email with URLs. Another way you can do it is by copying all the tab links from the top More option and choosing the Copy Links option. To copy selected tabs or recently opened tabs URLs, first select the tabs using the option given here under More. Select the tabs you want to copy. I selected 3 tabs, and then under the More options, picked the Copy 3 Links option. That's it. Now you've copied the selected URLs only from the Safari browser app on your iPhone. That's all the ways you can copy all tab links or just the selected ones from Safari on your iPhone. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates.